The Omniverse is an ecosystem built around the concept of deflation, a whitelist marketplace on the BSC blockchain. First of all, I will explain why Omniverse ecosystem is different from other DeFi projects. The main reason is deflation. Most of the DeFi tokens have one thing in common: their high inflation rates. The inflation comes from liquidity mining programs, which reward protocol users with new tokens that enter the circulating supply on a daily basis and increase the token's sell pressure. They attract people with high APRs. When looking at said protocols from a more educated standpoint, you start to realize just how unsustainable those models are. Most of the DeFi projects fell to almost 100% from all-time high and did not enjoy a swift recovery like their peers, even though they are some of the most used protocols in the ecosystem. But here in Omniverse, everything is opposite. They are not offering high APRs, mainly they concentrate on their token value high, with burning mechanism. In the Omniverse ecosystem, Omni is the only form of currency. Simply we can say, Omni is a hyperdeflationary form of currency in a world of hyperinflation. Here in this flowchart, you can see Omni token coming to burning pool in different ways. Whatever activity you are doing in Omniverse ecosystem, a certain amount of Omni tokens will be burned. First one is fees. The Omni tokens fees are essential for supporting the Omni ecosystem. These fees are distributed to multiple places in the ecosystem. On every buy, sell, and transfer you are charged a small fee of 10%, which is broken down in the following way. 6% of this fee gets sent to the treasury, which will be used for marketing, maintenance, paying web and contract developers, and much more. 2% of this fee is burned instantly, removing Omni from circulation and contributing to the deflation and value appreciation of Omni token. 2% of this fee is used to sustain the liquidity in the Omni BNB liquidity pool. That 2% transaction fee burning is enough that will contribute to the burn and deflation of the Omni supply. In Marketplace, Omni will be utilized, where it will be directly exchangeable for a whitelist spot. Marketplace is simple and easy to use. If a user wishes to purchase a whitelist for any project, all they need to do is have enough Omni tokens in their wallet. You can filter what you want, and it shows how many whitelists you can obtain. Here you can see which ones are KYC'd, which one are audited, and this will increase investors' confidence in whitelist marketplace. KYC, code audit, and a multisig wallet, all these triangle security will be set up at the time of launch. Here in flowchart you can see all activities in Marketplace. We can buy, sell, or trade whitelists in Marketplace. The pooled Omni tokens from the whitelists, 25% going to collaborated developer teams, and 75% will be burned. Liquidity being locked up in the BUSD Omni pool. Time Vault is here for doing this. It gives users safe and stable returns as a reward for locking up their tokens. The yields from Time Vault not as high as most unstable decentralized finance projects, but comparing to real-world finance, the yields are substantially high. 6 types of lock-in time blocks are there: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 1.5 years, and 2 years. You can see the reward distribution. You can open your stake in positions as many you want. One position can be locked for 1 month, and another position can be locked for 2 years. If you want to take an out from locked position, there is a 50% early exit fee you will have to pay. The early exit fee will be sent to the burn wallet entirely. Early exit fee is necessary in order to prevent people exiting early from time vaults. So we can say that Omni token will be burned through transaction, marketplace, and time vault. This is how Omniverse ecosystem's mechanics work, in and out, so you can make an educated decision on whether or not to buy, hold, and use Omni token. Simply we can say, the Omniverse is not a project, but more of an ecosystem that will have multiple projects.